Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from right here.
Melbourne in Australia.
What do we got, mate?
A black box.
A black box.
Does it record data?
No, because it's not orange.
Not that type of black box? Oh, we're getting into that. The black box that isn't actually black. All right, well, what does this black box contain?
So this is a new thing, almost a new thing. I don't know. Are we calling it new?
I don't know. Let's call it. I haven't seen them before, so I'm going to go with you on this one.
Okay, so it's a new release of the XAG range. So we've seen the XAG 10-ounce minted bars, and if you haven't, Ruben will put a link in somewhere around here or underneath.
Yep. Very, very popular.
Where you'll be able to go to them. They have just released their 1 ounce minted range, which I've been looking forward to for a while.
Rectangular tubes is always cool to see. Oh, there we go. There we go.
So it really is just a miniature of the 10 ounce.
That's so cool.
It is incredibly cool. Now, I don't believe, and I'm 99% sure, that these are plastic wrapped, which is why I'm using glasses.
Yep.
Excuse my phone ringing in the background there. But they are that frosted finish. They are minted, so they come pressed out of a big long sheet of metal. And then they have the XAG brand on the front and on the back.
I'm going to say that this is going to fill a little bit of a void for some people because we haven't seen, I don't know if I can mention it, the Perth Mint Kangaroo for a while in the minted 1 ounce bar variety. So yeah. I actually think this is kind of a bit of an empty space at the moment that these ones might fill.
It is, because even the Dragon that they do, there were such limited numbers last year that they pretty much sold out before they started. So they are now in stock. They look incredible. I've just sealed the lid and I shouldn't have. There are how many's in a tube?
I was going to ask you that, and I didn't want to put you on the spot, but then you're doing the same to me.
6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. There is 20 in a tube.
Cool. 200
in a monster box. And they are a very cool little monster box.
I was going to say, that's not just the one we've got for the video. They do actually come in the monster boxes?
That's how they come. They don't come with straps on them. Which is going to stress me if I have to send them out. So we're going to have to work out something that we can do with that.
We can like tape them down or something for dispatch.
We can tape them down, but yeah. But yeah, if you want to buy one or more than one or a tube of 20.
Can you get them back in? This is the question.
Probably not. Tube of 20 or a monster box of 200. There's a lid there somewhere. They are now available from Bullion Now, and we have plenty of them in stock. I think we took a delivery of about 10,000 of them this morning.
You're doing it properly.
Yeah, heaps available. Grab them while you can. I'm hoping we have them throughout the whole year. They are a local product, so there is no real reason we shouldn't be able to get them.
It'd be cool to have as a staple, that's for sure.
Yeah, so good one. So we've only got, I believe, XAG is going to produce a 5 ounce very, very soon. So we'll see that in the minted as well very soon.
The 1s, 5s and the 10s. Very cool.
That's it,
I think. We'll leave it there for now, and we'll see you all next time.
Sounds good. See ya.